in Bartlesville was mostly cloudy with a
Oh, this is going to be bad.
The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wagner County and northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Muskogee County and east central Oklahoma, southeastern Tulsa County and northeastern Oklahoma until 12:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northwest of Stone Bluff, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Broken Arrow, Coweta, Haskell, Porter, Taft, Stone Bluff, Redbird, Leonard, Cosca. For your protection, move to an interior room on the